Preparing your manufacturing business for what's coming next can feel daunting. Wherever the market moves, Aptean can help you become stronger and prepare for the unexpected. How? By following our 4 steps to future-ready manufacturing. Step 1. Gain a real-time 360-degree view of your business data. Use accurate, up-to-date insights to improve scheduling, anticipate material requirements, and make smart strategic decisions about running your business. Step 2. Empower your people. Automate repetitive, low-value tasks so you can reorganize and reskill your team to focus on the creative and relationship-building activities that they do best. Step 3. Integrate your infrastructure. Make sure every person and process work in sync so you can respond quickly and efficiently to new revenue-driving opportunities. Step 4. Make innovation a priority. Question what isn't working or could work better. Strive to adapt and improve, developing new products and services as the market evolves. Taking these steps will enable your organization to perceive where change is needed, to perform at your best, profit from smarter decisions, and make continual progress. These are Aptean's 4 pillars of future-ready manufacturing, and we can deliver them all through one piece of technology: Aptean Manufacturing ERP. With our cloud-based software, you can capture critical data in a single place, deliver real-time insights to everyone in your organization for faster decision-making, create automatic workflows for operational tasks to increase efficiency and productivity, and assign more resources to R&D to accelerate innovation. By following these 4 steps using the right technology, your business can get ready for what's next now. Schedule your free manufacturing ERP demo at aptean.com.